Hello everyone. I thought I'd just give you a quick shot of my yellow finches. They're really going crazy today. We must be about to have a weather change. They usually there's a lot of flurry going on when the weather is about to make a drastic change. Usually before a snowstorm or rainstorm or my beautiful birds. I love just sitting and watching them some days. We've got the finch feeder, and then we've got another feeder over there. And there's a suet feeder up there, but I don't know if you can see it. There it is. We normally don't put the suet in there until the blackbirds are gone because they devour it in minutes. And we put it out there for the woodpeckers. And we've had 4 or 5 different types of woodpeckers here. We have about 30 different species of birds. But right now it's just the finches. But every day we have red cardinals, blue jays, brown cardinals, orioles, black-cap chickadees, and nuthatch. Lots and lots of birds we got in our yard. And my hubby feeds them every day. And I just thought I'd share that with you. Alright, thank you so much for coming. Thank you for watching. Hope you all have a great day. Bye now.